Tucked away in the perfect location, welcome to this stunning Hersha Home in Fallen Timbers. This home sits on a large wooded lot, nearly an acre, which can be enjoyed from the expansive wooden back deck. Featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 3,000 square feet of living space. Enjoy the open concept kitchen and living room boasting gorgeous wooden columns and built-ins. The formal living room adjoins to a unique space that could be used as an office, library, crafting area, anything your heart desires. The many closets throughout the home are nicely sized, providing ample storage space. The unfinished basement provides great storage and workshop space, or could be finished to provide an additional 1,300 square feet of living area. The 2.5-car garage has shelving, pegboard, a hose hookup, and an overhead storage area. In the yard, there's an irrigation system and many beautiful perennials that will bloom this spring. Interested in learning more about this beautiful home? Call Carrie Davidson to schedule your tour of this lovingly maintained home today.